Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to hide the header and footer in your Wix Studio website. So hiding the header and footer is useful this because, for example, you want to hide the header in a specific page, but you want it to still be visible in different pages. So here we are in our Wix Studio website, and in order to start, just click on your header and then find global sections. Then from here, you can just click on the three dots beside the header option and then just click on add to. And then from here, you can choose the pages that you want to hide the header with. For example, I will hide it in our current page, which is the home page. And once I click on apply, and then there we have the header has now been hidden in our home page. And then you can do the same with the footer as well. For example, here's the footer. So we're selecting the footer. Again, click on global sections. And from here, find footer. And then click on the three dots and then click on add to. And then remove the footer from the home page. And then click on apply. And then there we have the footer is now disappeared from our home page. If you want to add it again, just click on global sections and then add to, and then just add the home page again. And then you will do the same for the footer. And then there we have our header and footer added back into our home page. If you want to edit your header, you can just move around some elements right here that you want to change. And then you can also open the inspector tool if you want to edit some other things. For example, you want to change the background into an image, you can do so as well. Just click on the media, and then for example, I want to choose this one. And then there we have our background image of the header is now changed into an image. If you want to edit some other effects, like for example, if you want to have a scroll effect for your header, so you can choose if you want to have the scroll with the side, or you can choose if you want to freeze the header, or if you want it to disappear or fade out. For example, I'll choose freeze. And then once we click on preview, and then the header will just be visible in this top of the website whenever we scroll down. But if we choose another effect, for example, disappear, and then once we click on preview, so it will automatically disappear once we scroll down from the page. But if we scroll up, you can see that the header appears again. And then for some other options right here, you can just play around with the different features of the header right here. You can choose to have a different header layout if you want. You can also add a background overlay, for example. Scroll up and then open inspector tool. You can edit the color of the background. You can add a color while scrolling. You can add a background overlay. For example, I'll turn this on, and then there we have our background overlay of the header. And you can do the same as well with your footer. You just click on the footer, click on the inspector tool, and then you can edit some of the features right here as well. For example, for the background overlay, like that. Make sure you're selecting your footer, and right here, and just turn this off. And that is it with editing your header and footer. I hope you learned how to hide them in your website, and thank you for watching this video.